Hello everyone, welcome back to another gaming review. Today in this video I am going to testing PUBG Mobile on Samsung Galaxy A15. Galaxy A15 come with Mediatek Helio G99 processor with Mali G57MC GPU, and my device have a 4GB RAM and 128GB storage, and you also get up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB storage. Alright, first talk about the graphics quality. You can play smooth to ultra frame rate, and you also play HD graphics and high frame rate, and now I'm playing smooth to ultra frame rate. By the way, I'm already making Galaxy A15 unboxing and review and camera review video, link also available in the video description and the I button. Check it out. I am not any professional gamer. I am just testing PUBG Mobile on Galaxy A15. I hope you guys like. So what about my gaming experience? And as you can see that I can play smoothly this smartphone PUBG Mobile. My gaming experience is not bad. I can smoothly play the game. Yes, of course I am facing some lag issue because my phone have only 4GB of RAM. If your device have a 6GB or 8GB of RAM, you can get more better gaming experience. Otherwise everything is fine. Okay, you guys enjoy this game. Okay, that's pretty much for today's video. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.